Hey people, well here's another fan I got. This is a Galaxy Box fan, a model 3746. This is the rare model that has the thermostat and the penthouse control station. This is simply the non-rebranded version of the one Sears branded one that I have, which is from 83 to 84. Well, as I said, this is the non-rebranded Galaxy version. I thought since I have those two Sears branded ones with the thermostat, one from the 80s with the brown blade and one from the 70s with the yellow blade, I thought it'd be nice to have at least one of these that's not rebranded as anything under the Galaxy badge. Even if it were under the, whether it be under the Lasko or Galaxy badge, it wouldn't be rebranded as anything. It's still the non-rebranded version. Though they have a different model number depending on what brand it is. And this is model 3746 and the Lasko version be 4746. Well, anyway, we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's that same greenish tan or grayish tan color that pretty much all my Galaxy or Galaxy branded boxers are. And it's got some marks there. Here's the other side. Here's the back. And I got like 3 slats missing. One of them being broken out for the plug. They're still here though. They're in the bottom of the fan. And once again, we have the famous plastic motor. And this once again is the later vent design found on the Sears branded one I have of this and that rare blue bladed Galaxy that I own. Here's the back of the controls with the little handle. Turn this back around. And just like that blue blade one from 81 to 82, this has the second version of this hub that only has the one opening but still has all the triangles etched in. And there's the control station. Here's the master speed control. And of course the automatic thermostat. Which I don't know which is probably not, knob's probably not on right. I don't really know how that thing's supposed to go. But anyway, here it is running. Here's high. And this again happens to have a higher running speeds. We were mediums like lows like medium is like high, and highs like super. on low, though it runs kind of fast, you can hear that motor whine. And demonstrate the thermostat to show you that it works. And it cuts off right about here. But I don't know if that's where it's supposed to be. I don't know how those knobs work. Turn it back on. And turn it back to high. And as always, on the left, it spells on. And I probably forgot to mention this one. This particular one here is a 1982 to 83 model. Oh, and this section of the grill is pretty much missing. When I got it, it was like kind of, I don't know how to say it, kind of cracked, and sometime after a while, and somehow it managed to fall off. Anyway, this is my 1982 to 83 Galaxy model 3746. Thank you for watching.